once had a woman you built your world around, but now you're alone as your castles tumble down. Every word unspoken has left you on your own. You can't build a castle when there's nobody home. So who's the cowboy in the suit and tie, riding against the wind, gazing out across the neon skyline, wishing you were back in the saddle again? Living in the fast lane on the 32nd floor, the telephone keeps ringing as he wonders what he's doing this for. Oh, what happened to that cowboy? Just look what he's become, lonely in a city where the outlaws still wear guns. So who's the cowboy in the suit and tie, riding against the wind, gazing out across the neon skyline, wishing you were back in the saddle again? Ooh, ooh. Living with old memories now of a boy so wild and free, ridden by mistakes he's made and the love he could not keep. Well, he swears he'll buy some land one day, he's gonna settle down, keeps him sane to make more plans about leaving this one-horse town. So you, the cowboy in the suit and tie, riding against the wind, gazing out across the neon